Hi guys, welcome to Dudley Lime Pits. This is today's explore, and this is a really ancient limestone mine that's been mined for hundreds of years. This is one of the most important geological sites in the UK, and it's about 2 miles away from my house, so I'm investigating this place today. There's lots of places near where I live with loads of historical importance, so this is one of the places. We'll tell you a little bit about this place today.
I'll get picking it. Go on, Rocco. So fast in the house. Scatty. Shandan. Can you feel it? Oh yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Feel the vibe, yeah. Feel it? Can you feel it? Feel the vibe, yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? The vibe, yeah. Can you feel it? Feel the vibe, yeah.
The last video I posted was part 1 of a 3-in-1 day explore. Unfortunately, I'm having a few issues with part 2 and part 3. If I can fix them when I get my new laptop, then I'll post them back up and you can see them. If I don't, then I'll just have to make some different videos for you. Here's a little one. Enjoy. This part over here is Dudley Zoo. In 1956, this was declared the first ever National Nature Reserve for ancient rock structures and fossils. The fossils in this place were formed 420 million years ago from coral reefs, so then this place would have been all underwater, and then later on, years to come, it was a tropical rainforest, and so on and so forth. But this is a great place of important history, and it's a wicked place to just go around and take some photographs. Must apologise for all the camera shake in this video. I try different ways of video making, and in this case, the problem is that I set up a video light on my chest mount, and the extra weight caused the camera to bounce all over the place. Lesson learned. This is one of the lime pits that has been fenced off to stop people falling in, which has happened several times in the past. Underneath this whole area is a massive tunnel complex known as the Seven Sisters Tunnel Complex. There are many large caves also, most of which have been filled in to avoid collapses from above. In 2001, the largest cave, called the Seven Sisters Cavern, was filled in with concrete after a massive roof collapse in which someone fell in from above and died. Some of the other still open caves are important hibernation sites for several different species of bat. The only way to see these caves today is on a tour with the Dudley Canal Trust. I may do that tour in another video at a later date. This area is the very heart of the Industrial Revolution, and the Victorians installed the first ever industrial steam engine in the world on this site to pump water from the mines. There really is absolutely tons of history from the Industrial Revolution in my local area, so I will make a series of videos on these places in between my other exploring videos at some time in the future. So every now and again I'll drop in a different video of the local history in my local area from the Industrial Revolution. Enjoy. It was a very hot and humid day, and I got bit by about 100 mosquitoes. In this little pit, it seemed like I was in the Amazon somewhere, especially being right next to Dudley Zoo, with all the animal noises going on. From my house, I can hear the lions roaring in the morning. It's a very odd experience, considering I live in the suburbs of a city. It's very weird to hear lions roaring. This is one of the bigger pits around here, but there's lots of little pits all over the place with lots of fallen rocks and fallen trees. Possibly not one of the safest places to go exploring, but cool nevertheless. As I come up on this bit here, there was an abandoned tunnel, which I think was a really ancient sewer. As I'm walking over the top here, the piece underneath was actually still running, and you can hear the water running underneath. But the bit on my right there was just completely abandoned for many, many years. I could hear some funny noises coming from this one area, so I decided to come and have a walk over and have a look what the noise was. And what I discovered was that somebody had set something on fire that they shouldn't be burning. So there was all this horrible thick black smoke fuming in the air. It was just horrible. So I couldn't go up to the right hand side anyway because I would have just got choked out. So I ended up turning round, going back the way I came to a different area. I come the other day and I had a bit of a recce round, like.
Yeah.
But I don't bring the cameras and stuff.
Now
But
we go around that way, there's some mad mines down the bottom. Go up that way towards the zoo, where you can split up, and then you can go on there on a little pathway to the zoo. But, you know what I mean? Everything.
the caves and stuff come over this way, haven't they?
Yeah, a little cave down there, but they're all blocked off. The caves are still.
Yeah. Fully dangerous under here. I really don't think I should be under here because this here looks like it's about to all completely cave in, so I'm going to have to be quiet when I'm doing this around here. But we have fully found a cave down here, so let's go and quickly check this cave out. Try and move as little as possible. Oh, this is actually a tunnel by the look of it. I ain't quite sure if that's a tunnel or if it's just a cave. But that's quite mad. That is officially a cave, but I shouldn't be in here, so I'm going to get the hell out of here. Pulled caves in on me. When investigating places like this, good boots are essential, because I made sure I put my boots on this day. But it still didn't really help because there was these muddy banks which were really steep. It had been raining the day before and it was really hot and humid, and like the floors were still wet and muddy. So on this little climb here, I just about managed to get up this with my camera. You have to be exceptionally careful that you don't fall over and break your camera when it's in your hand like it is here. This little climb, not quite so successful. So that's my explore for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Big massive thanks to all my subscribers and people who watch my videos so far. I can't tell you how amazed I am that you all like my videos. Thank you very much. And keep watching for more stuff. See you around.